Hello students. So far you have studied about terrestrial plants, plants in plain, desert plant, aquatic plants like floating plants, then underwater plants. Today we will learn on carnivorous or insectivorous plants. Carnivorous means those plants which eat other animals are called carnivorous plants. So they grow in places with soil which doesn't have food. They are most of the food by trapping and consuming animals. Example are pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, cobra lily plant. So let's learn about this type of plant. It's the pitcher plant. It looks like a beautiful pitcher full of nectar, and the hungry insect are tempted to come closer and try to suck the nectar, but they slip and get trapped. Due to hair-like growth along the wall of the pitcher wall, the insects cannot come out. This is the type of pitcher plant. Next one is cobra lily plant. It attracts the insects by emitting a sweet smell. The shape of the leaf is like a curled head of cobra. That's why its name was given, that cobra lily plant. The next one is Venus flytrap. The leaves of Venus flytrap is divided into two lobes and fine hairs at the edges. If the insect touches the hair of the leaves, it shuts both the leaves or lobes, and the insects gets trapped and slowly digested by the leaves. Now it may comes in your mind that what happens to the insect trapped by the carnivorous plant. Now the digestive juice like enzyme. Enzyme means it is a protein found in the cell for further chemical reaction. That means this enzyme help to break down the food. Here food means the insect. They help the food to be break down into smaller pieces. Next, there are some other carnivorous plant. The bacteria produce this type of enzyme. This bacteria rot the captured insect, and plant will absorb the food of it. Okay. Next we will learn about non-green plants. Non-green plants means it look like a plant but they don't have chlorophyll. Means they don't have chlorophyll pigment in their leaves just like other green plants have. We know that green plants can manufacture their own food, but these non-green plants, they cannot make their own food. They get food from dead plants or animals. You have seen mushroom, which is a non-green plant. It takes the food from rotten area. So some example of non-green plants are mushroom, Indian pipe. They grow in shady places or wood and feed on rotten things. So with this we have completed the lesson. So students, go through the lesson once again so that you can understand it well, and I have given some homework for you. So please you do this homework and send to me. Thank you.